Sayla, what did you get for your birthday? Oh, pig. 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 Just like pig.
Yo!
Bike. Sayla got a bike. With a bell. With a bell. A bike with a bell.
Kiefer. Kiefer.
Bell. Sayla's wearing her sister Chrissy's birthday girl shirt. Chrissy lives in heaven now. Chrissy wore that birthday girl shirt when she was 4. And Sayla's 2 today. Sayla, how old are you?
Good.
How old are you?
Good.
You're good? Say, I'm 2. I'm 4. You're 2. Oh, that's a good job, Sayla. There she goes. The trick rider. And you know she's going to put her arms out. Sit. She was very cautious doing it. Yes. And now she's just squatting on it. Bike. Bike. Sayla, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. She's trying to find the pedals. There she goes. She got her feet on the pedals. Look. Shoes. She saw your shoes. She's going to want your shoes.